I'm still in the planning phase of my shutdown or project, and I want to know what is the critical path of this project. What tasks are critical, and also what is the total duration of my shutdown. So in the Gantt, when I'm in the Gantt chart, I should see that menu here, Gantt chart format. I'm gonna click on it, and now I will have some new option. I'm gonna click on critical task to see my critical path. Now I see it in red. And there's other various option, but I'm just gonna talk about that one. And to get the full duration or total duration of my shutdown or project, I'm gonna click on the project summary task here. And you see at the top a new line add appear, line 0, with the name of my project. So this one, 2024 SD1 for shutdown 1, and it tell me that the total duration is 52 hours.